I just really want to know how much these weigh. And this really wouldn't be a Gearhead 704 video without me doing some sort of quick montage on the car. This is an original Cobra. I was actually, for the heaviest Fox body, I mean, the convertible is the heaviest out there. So I was a bit surprised. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and today I want to find out just how heavy my Tar Heel Fox is. This actually started life as a fully optioned 89 GT convertible, and I think convertibles are the heaviest Fox bodies there are. I mean, right here we've got an SSP, a coupe, and all the SSPs were notchbacks or coupes. And this is supposedly the lightest it is. So is the convertible the heaviest? And of course, this is no longer a GT with the GT body kit on it, but it does have the Cobra ground effects on it. So it should still be pretty similar to what an 89 GT convertible was in weight. And I really don't know. I've had it drag raced a few times, and I want to find out two things: what it weighs without me in the car, and also what it weighs with me in the car. And for those of you that are new to the channel, I'm kind of a big guy. I'm 6'5", you know, and I have big shoes, size 18. But you're gonna find out how much I weigh today, because I'm gonna weigh in the car and out of the car. So we'll find out just how much weight. That doesn't help me at the drag strip, but the car did recently make it into the 8s. Not by me, this is the 8th mile. It made a 8.86, and that was with someone else driving the car. I'm still working on putting that video together, but you can check it out on his channel. That's Speed Addict 731, and I'll go ahead and throw a card. Hopefully that was the right way. And I'll throw a card, so if you want to check that video out to see how it did in the 8th mile. But yeah, I just really want to know how much these weigh. I think it's gonna weigh between like 3,300 and 3,400 pounds, but put your guesses down below. What is Tar Heel Fox gonna weigh? Any ideas? What do you think? I'm gonna go with 3,333 pounds, because it's just a nice, you know, 3,333. Anyway, let's go ahead and hit the road and find out. All right, guys, I came out here just to the local gas station that does have a cat scales. So as you can see right here, certified scales, do not enter. I went inside and asked them, would it be okay to weigh my car, right? Because I don't know, I've never done this before. I heard you could do it, and they had no problem with it at all. It was like 12 bucks, and yeah, it was pretty cheap. So I know you guys all want to know what the number is, and I want to tell you, but first of all, this is with me in the car. So the number is with me in the car. Actually, I was standing outside the car, but they said that really doesn't matter because it just goes off of the highest weight when you first get on there. So yeah, this number that I'm about to show you does actually include me, and unfortunately I'm gonna have to reveal my weight, but yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. All right, I'm really surprised, guys. 3,480, 3,480 pounds. And that's how much the car weighs with me in it. Now, I'm a bit of a big boy, so I've got my phone here. I'm gonna bring up the calculator real quick, although it should be pretty easy math, but you know, who wants to do math, right? We have these calculator things. Okay, make sure you guys can see that. All right, so let me turn on the brightness of my, oh, it's as bright as it goes. Okay, so we're at 3,480, and I actually weigh, wait for it, I weigh 230 pounds. Yeah, I'm a big boy, I'm a big boy. So we subtract 230, we actually get 3,250, which that is a bit surprising to me. I'm actually thought it would be a lot more, but I guess not a whole lot more, because I guess 3,300 or 3,333, right? And 3,250, yeah, that's well within the range. So you know, the convertibles definitely are heavier, and then when you get me in the car, they're even heavier. It's almost 3,500 pounds with me in it. You know, I think like the new Mustangs, I forget what they are, but But yeah, almost 3,500 pounds, so that's a lot more than 3,000. So it is a heavier car, but still, obviously, there's a lot more room for me in the 8th mile of the drag strip to get quicker at it. I think I ran my best times at 9:06, and Speed Addict ran at 8:86. And this really wouldn't be a Gearhead 704 video without me doing some sort of quick montage on the car, but I promise to keep it less than 30 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in right here. Okay, so I'm back home now. What did you think? 3,250 pounds? Like, I was actually, for the heaviest Fox body, I mean, the convertible is the heaviest out there. So I was a bit surprised. I mean, I said 33, but still 3,250, that's almost 100 pounds lighter. It just goes to show you how light these cars really are. I'm sure that most of the coupes are probably sub 3,000 pounds. I remember Foxcast Media had his LX hatch weighed in, and I think it was like 2,900 or so. I mean, sub 3,000. So I'm really curious to see what the SSP weighs now. Of course, I can't drive it. It's not drivable. I'm still finishing out the rear end, but when it is, I'm definitely going to weigh that for a comparison. But really, 3,250, I mean, I can't complain about that. So I can't say it's the car's fault anymore. It's definitely the driver's fault, me, why I am slow in the quarter mile. You know, it's not the car's fault, but yeah, I was a bit surprised, to be honest with you. I thought maybe it would be a little heavier. So even the convertibles are light. Actually, there is one more thing I do want to talk about, and that is going live. I've had several people tell me, hey, you should go live. Why don't you go live? It'd be good interaction. And I just haven't done it yet. It's not really my thing. But here's what we're going to do. If you do want me to go live, you know, just answer some questions, hang out for a little bit, you can let me know by hitting the like button. If this video gets 100 likes, which is a lot. You know, that's a lot of likes for me typically. But if it gets 100 likes by, we'll say October 4th, then I will go live. That means you guys are telling me you do want to see me go live. So if this video right here gets to 100 likes before the 4th, I will do that. I will go live. Anyway, this is a much shorter video for me. I think like all of them are 10 minutes plus. Actually, that's not true. Most of my videos are like 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, and I think this one's gonna be sub 10 minutes, which is very unusual for me. So I hope you guys like the short ones as well. It doesn't really help on the duration of the videos, because the more watch time you have out there, the more I get paid, but I don't really care about that. I'm doing this for you guys more so. I'm certainly not making a living on YouTube, but it is a lot of fun. So anyway, if you did enjoy this video, please hit the like button. It helps out a lot. Dislikes do not help, likes help. But you know, if you didn't like the video, it would help me even more if you don't hit any button. Anyway, if you did enjoy this video, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, because I do upload 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday. And we will see you next time on Gearhead 704. Okay guys, so I know I'm throwing this at the end of one of my videos, but I'm just really excited. Check out what I got here. An original 1993 Cobra Black. There weren't many of those. Most of them were vibrant red, as you know, but this is an original Cobra. Not like my clone here, which looks pretty good actually, next to it, but all black. Love what he's done. And this guy owns a lot of Mustangs. This is my friend Andre. And this is just an awesome car. You see, it's got these are the wheels I'm thinking about. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I really love the original Cobra wheels. Cobra R's are nice too. We know we gotta go 5 lug. They make these in 5 lug. Let me know what you guys think. But I am gonna do a full review on this car at some point and get out there to a shop, and he's got other Mustangs out there as well. So I know it's getting a little windy here. Just want to throw this for you guys at the end of the video, and leave a comment down below if you like this Cobra and if you want to see that full review. Thanks.